What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Out of Stock. Mup here, and today we have the Jordan 6 Infrareds. Jordan brand, they always seem to reel you back in. That's the thing. Spending money I shouldn't be spending, but at the same time, these are definitely worth a cop. The Jordan 6 Infrared OG 2019s are definitely spot on to the original version. This is the 5th retro of it. There's 6 models in total, including the OGs. And this one actually, as far as shape, quality, and just like features go and detailing, this is the closest to the original. They've had trouble doing the infrared coloring for the longest, and they did varsity red, they did kind of a pinkish red at one point, even making the air bubble black in one of the older models, and then even leaving out 3M. So you know what, all the OG heads out there, I think this is a keeper right here. And you got the Nike Air in the back, but now we're all accustomed to it, but for the longest you couldn't even get that. So the box, same OG styling that they've used. Nothing special, just the black paper in there, or plastic. You know what, I had these marked down on my calendar since last year, since they were announced, but then I was kind of on the fence about it, just looking at pictures. I'm like, yeah, they look right, they definitely look right, but kind of didn't want to spend a little more money on the Jordans. But these are actually very fire. Actually, these were pretty limited as far as availability. They were there to get, but at the same time, sizing was limited. I know people were in line, they were kind of upset that they couldn't get their size. Luckily, I managed to have mine reserved on the Champs app. The thing about the Jordan 6s, this is a very subtle shoe, but they're actually really nice to wear with jeans. I kind of like having the tongue come out, and they're easy to put on as far as like this back heel tab right here is just easy to yank. Oh yeah, you can kind of go true to the size of these, because the 8 and the 8.5 fit pretty decent for me. They don't run too narrow. As far as styling goes, it's a predominantly black shoe, so it looks real subtle, but when you actually wear them, they pop. They go with this icy sole, the hints of infrared. It's really bright. It's just not a regular red, and then you get hit with a 3M at night when it gets that reflection, that light hits it. These are definitely one of the easier Jordans to wear with jeans. I would say the 5s, the 6, 4s, and 3s, and definitely the 1s. Those are probably the top Jordans to wear with denim or just with longer pants. And the other ones, they look a little too athletic to wear with jeans, but to each their own. Everyone has their own style, but those are definitely my favorite models to wear. 2019 is already shaping up to be a good year for sneakers. Gotta say, man, they did these proper, and I know this year there's gonna be a lot of hype shoes coming out. The Travis, anything that Travis is dropping has a lot of hype around it now. Yeezy basketball I'm looking forward to, just to see what they're gonna do with that line. Kind of getting stale with the 350s at the moment. But either way, Jordan 6s coming back with the old school, the OG, and definitely giving the fans what they want, because I didn't want to spend my money, and they took my 200 real fast. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what you'd like to see, and I'll catch you next time.